one of the most common questions that I get asked on the channel. What is your favorite car? Well, I don't have any one particular one, but in terms of sports cars, this has got to be one of them. It's the Porsche Targa 4. This one was dropped off at my driveway. This is part of the Porsche Drive subscription program. If you're interested in how you can get a brand new Porsche dropped off in your driveway every week, click the link here. I did make a short video explaining how to do that, but while it's here, I wanted to share with you some of my favorite little features and Easter eggs of this new Porsche Targa 4. One of the highlights of the Targa 4 has got to be the top. So there are two different buttons, one for opening, one's for closing, and it takes 19 seconds for the whole operation to happen. And you gotta admit, it is really, really cool. What an engineering marvel. By the way, there are sensors in the back of this vehicle to sense if there's enough room for the operation to happen at all. If there's not enough room, it's not gonna let you do it. You also have to be stopped to do this. You cannot do this while driving. Check out this little Easter egg. You might know this from a previous video that I've done on the 911. This grille here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 vertical slats on here. You have 2 red lights for your rear third brake light. So that's 9 and the 2, that's 911. On the other side, you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So 9, 9, and 2 in the middle makes it 992, which is the model designation of this generation 911. There is an integrated rear spoiler on this Targa. It will deploy at higher speeds above 70 miles an hour, or you can manually engage it as well. But what's interesting, there is an integrated third brake light in the spoiler because once it goes up, it blocks the other one by the grille. If your vehicle is equipped with Porsche Drive and Entry, when you walk up to the vehicle, the door handles will automatically pop open for you. As well, you can actually start the vehicle without inserting the key. But there's more to it than that, and this is a new one I did not know about. If you come up to the front, now your neighbors might think that you are in way too much love with your new 911, but basically you're gonna pet it. We're just gonna wave our hand across like this, and look at that. It unlatches the front bonnet. That easy. So just a little bit of a wave. There it is. Another Easter egg. Thank you, Adam from Porsche Drive, for pointing some of these out. I had no idea. So if your Porsche comes right from the factory or you get it back from a Porsche service center, one thing is going to be the same every single time. Check out the wheel cap. The Porsche emblem, the bottom of it where it points to will always point at the inflator cap. Every time, every single Porsche. All 4 wheels, all Porsches. Have a look next time. As they say, it's time to blow this popsicle stand. Let's go for a drive. The Targa 4 has a 3-liter twin-turbo boxer engine, puts out 379 horsepower, and you can either get it in an 8-speed PDK or a 7-speed manual. Now, if you get it with the PDK and you get the Sport Chrono package, you get that drive mode selector on the steering wheel. We can choose from normal, wet, sports, sport plus, or individual. And the nicest thing about this system, though, is what's in the middle of that dial, and that's called the sports response button. So essentially, it's like a push to pass. When you press it, you get 20 seconds of maximum everything, and it really works with the transmission the most. So if we hit it, the transmission just goes into the selected, the perfect gear right away. You're right in the boost, so it's perfect for if you just need that extra boost for just a pass without having to fiddle with dials and switching it to Sport Plus, for instance. It's pretty awesome. Just as a heads up, if you go for the Targa, when you have that roof off, even though it has these deflectors and everything else, if you have people in the rear seats, yes, remember, this does have 2 seats in the back, basically for kids. I had my kids back there. It got really, really, really windy for them though. So it just kind of like pushes all the air back there. And even in the front cabin, it's not windy at all, with the windows up especially, but it is quite loud. So just be aware of that. I don't really care. It doesn't bother me. I just love the feeling of having this open air driving, and driving a 911, it just doesn't get any better than this. So that's our quick look at the new 911 Targa 4 from the Porsche Drive subscription. If you're interested and you want to watch that video on this new subscription service from Porsche, I'll leave a link below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below as well. Let me know, what do you think of this new Targa? Obviously, you know, I love it. And anyways, hope you have a safe drive, and we'll see you on the next Everyday Reviews. Time to hit that special whoa button.